The time interval between the late winters and the early summer is a high time to boost your snake plant's growth. So in this video, we will going to talk about how we can boost or how we can grow snake plants in a faster rate. Meanwhile, in this video, I will also introduce one of my interesting stories about the snake plant, how I propagate 3 plants in a year around. At the same time, I will also reveal one of the pro tip which will help any of the gardener, and it will most benefit to the lazy gardener or the plant parent beginner. So stay tuned till the end so that you get the full update how to care our snake plant to grow in a faster rate. The first care tip is all about the lighting condition, what we have to provide so that we can find pups growing around our pots. We all know and we all have analyzed that the snake plants is one of the most hardiest plant and which can bear both in the light condition and in the low light condition. That is in the bright, direct, harsh sunlight or in the low, very low light condition. But in spite of its hardiness, we want our snake plants to grow in a faster rate and in a very healthy form. If you will keep your plant in a bright direct sunlight or in a very low light condition, then the plant might retard its growth and will not grow properly. So what we have to do is that we have to select a spot where it receives a bright indirect sunshine but not the harsh sunshine or not even the too low light condition. Then the snake plant will do their best job. Light plays a very important or a key factor, one of the most key factor in the growth of the plant. So light will help the plant to produce more newer leaves and pups around the plants. The next condition is the repotting. Is the selection of a pot is a very important task for the snake plant, as because I have experienced that if you will keep your snake plants in a fit to fit pot or a small or an inch bigger pot, then the plant will do their best job instead of keeping them in a bigger size pot. For that, you can also try an experiment at your home itself. Take 2 similar plants of the same variety and pot them in a same potting media. Select the pot, one in the bigger size and one in the smaller or fit to fit pot. At certain interval or the sufficient interval of time, you will find that there are pups growing aside them in the smaller pot as compared to the bigger pot, because the snake plants grows very well in the fit to fit pot or an inch bigger pot. Although in the bigger pot you will find that the plants are growing also well, and soon in the sufficient interval of time it will also turn out in a bushy plants and full of pups. But the rate of growth will be faster in the smaller pot as compared to the bigger pot. This tall mother plant was kept unnoticeable for me for since a year, or you can say for many months, such as 10 to 11 months, and without any care or much, suddenly I found that the plant has been growing 2 pups aside them, and I propagate them and keep them aside and propagate 2 plants from the single mother. And now I have also noticed for few days before that the plant is now also giving another one more pup of the same mother plant. So from there I propagate 3 pups from the mother plant, and now the previous 2 pups are now going to be mother plants soon. One of the major or the pro tip for the lazy gardener or the plant parent beginner or any gardener is that keep your plants aside undisturbedly. Don't disturb them frequently, either repotting them or by caring them too much. There are many more incidents that if you are caring your plants very much, then the plant might get unhealthy or you might harm them unintentionally. So in spite of that, keep them undisturbed, keep them in to grow in their natural environment, then the plant will do their best job and will produce pups around them on your pot. This tip will help both the lazy plant parent and the plant parent beginners to not to care them too much. Now, the next care tips comes for the watering condition. The water also plays a great impact on any of the plants, whether it be the hardy plants such as of the snake plant or the very much carey plants such as of Calathea. There are much more cases of overwatering situation than underwatering situation. It's better to give your plants less water than to the more water. Because of the snake plants belong to a succulent family, so it doesn't require to be have much water or water them very frequently. So it's better to keep your soil dry as much as possible for the snake plants for its better growth and the new growing pups around them. While watering a snake plants, you should always keep in mind that your plants must be in a dry condition. Put your finger inch or a half inch deep and analyze the soil that it's dry or not. If the soil is dry, then only water them. Either if the soil is moist enough, then don't water them. It will help to prevent overwatering situation and underwatering situation both. If you are watering your plants very much, then you will find that the leaves will be very thin and it has been wilt down, or you will find that the leaves are not in a healthy form. And in some cases, the plant rots underneath, but you are not care of that. Now, while you're underwatering situation, you will find that your leaf has been burned down or it has been crisped up like this, and the plant is not in a proper health. So you should always analyze your soil and then only water them. So I will also remind you again to don't care them much of the plants, because the plants get harm if you care them much. Leave them as it is and grow them in the natural environment. That's all for today, guys. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel if you are new. And if you like such videos, do comment us. We will make more such videos. And if you want any more topic to be discussed, then leave a comment below in the comment section. Thank you for watching.